For the first shipment of ZeroWriters, there is a firmware update that requires you to take the casing apart, unplug the keyboard from the screen, and then use your laptop or whatever, plug it in, update the thing. And in the process of doing that, the power switch on the device broke. Here on this side. So the little switch that slides from side to side is not what broke, but the teeny switch that was connected to what I would move broke from here. I got it in a bag, and I've reached out to Adam. This is what broke off. That's the switch that I move back and forth. That's what this switch is connected to. This switch is connected in here. So that broke. So I reached out to Adam for a part number. He's on it. It's still usable. I just have to use a very tiny pair of tweezers. We got the feet installed, so you can flip them up whatever kind of angle you want. There's also little rubberies, so when the feet are down, it's not going to scratch up your stuff, which is pretty nice. I'm going to see what I can do, and then probably have my husband come help me. He's a bit more techie than I am. So we've got a whole bunch of Allen wrenches. That's what these are called. Yes, my desk is messy. That's just the way that it is. The last thing I want to do is strip these screws. That would be most unfortunate. Where can I put them so they don't get lost? The power switch broke when we took it apart for the update. You had to unplug the keyboard for the first update. Adam has said that is not going to be the process in the future. He said it'll probably come through the SD card, so we won't have to take this apart again. This is not my wheelhouse, I say. I really want to get the power switch fixed, because what I have been using is this little pair of tweezers is what we've been using to switch the switch. I don't want to do that anymore. And I want to take it to work so I can write during my lunch. I've been reading during my lunch, and that's been nice, but I would like to use this to write during lunch instead. It would be cooler if I had better lighting, but my house was built in the 60s, and apparently overhead lighting was not allowed in houses built in the 60s. This is the power switch. This here is what broke. So we're going to fix it. How are we going to fix it? I don't know. It might actually... I have no idea, actually. This is as far as I go. I can unscrew stuff, and that's about it. That tiny little divot you see in the power switch, that's how I've been using those little tweezers to turn it on and off the last couple of days. And I feel like that's going to put extra wear on the unit, and I don't want to do that. We bought a whole pack of those replacement parts. I'll put the part number and a link to the Amazon page in the description. I think this is going to involve some soldering. This set was like 10 bucks or something. And now we have 1,000 of them, so if it breaks again, we can just replace it again. That is what broke off. So we're going to have to replace the whole unit. Hey, this is a PSA. If you make fun of my husband's soldering abilities, I will climb through the screen and kick your ass. Okay. He said it wasn't his best soldering. I don't even care if it wasn't his best soldering. It was great, and it worked. So, be nice to my fabulous, perfect husband, who is the nicest man who's ever walked the face of the earth. Okay? Be nice to him.